Hi everyone. Congratulations first of all on the launch of TRME in Southeast Asia. It looks like it's going very well, and thanks to all of you for doing such a great job in terms of really trying to introduce TRME to everybody there, and because really managing weight continues to be a very important health issue in every part of the world, including Southeast Asia. You know, as you think about Nu Skin, we always continue to innovate, right? And TRME is really the latest manifestation or example of how we innovate based on the previous TR90 system. And when you look at it and how we approach weight management system, and that's really the whole point of TRME system, is that you can get the benefits, but then eventually we're hoping that you will transition into a 90-day system as well. And that is why, you know, our scientists believe that we highly recommend, even at this point in time with TRME, that it needs to become a 90-day program for long-term benefits. So remember that the 14 days is great. It allows the flexibility and makes the whole weight management system more appealing, if you will, to new customers and so on. But 90 days is what you should be shooting for, you know, at the end of the day. So that's the difference. In some markets, an early onset program is really important. So another question I get is like with TRME, and that is, hey, how come in some other markets you have in TRME a supplement that's called Smart Win? And why is Smart Win not available in Southeast Asia? Well, sometimes for a variety of reasons, including regulatory reasons, we can't use the same name, right? So don't worry, you have the same product in Southeast Asia, except in this instance, in Southeast Asia, we call the complex, this supplement, the MC complex. We have used exactly the same ingredients or the same ingredient blend for Smart Win and MC complex in the same way. So they are all, for all intents and purposes, they are identical products, and you don't have to worry that there's something that you get in Southeast Asia that is different from other markets. All right, no need to worry about that. And then another question I get is related to the meal replacement. And why is it that in Southeast Asia you have TRME Trim Shake, which and then in some other markets we have a different shake product that is called M Shake? I think looking at the dietary kind of intake that you have in Southeast Asia, we really feel that Trim Shake, first of all, was very successful in the previous TR90 system. Why don't we have that continue in Southeast Asia? And really, when you look at the amount of protein, because after all, meal replacement means you've got to have protein, that the TRME Trim Shake really has significantly more protein than M Shake, all right? So in fact, if you look at Trim Shake, it's such a great protein product that really, because the way that we have formulated it, there's really no need to bring M Shake into the region. And because of the higher amount of protein that we have in Trim Shake, all right? So it's really a good meal replacement in Southeast Asia, and you should continue to use that and not to worry about worrying about, well, I need to switch over or transition over to M Shake. You really don't need to. And remember, right, this protein meal replacement is important because we've always preached and we've always hoped that you understand that weight management is really focusing on the loss of fat tissue and not lean muscle. And protein is needed to maintain that lean muscle. So this meal replacement is an important part of the whole system. Now, finally, there's another question I get. So wait a minute. When I look at the TRME system or kit in Southeast Asia, you have LifePack included. Why? You know, what has LifePack got to do with weight management? Well, remember, when we talk about weight loss, we're really talking about health in general, right? And then when you start to lose weight, there is a need for you sort of to adjust your diet. In other words, what you eat in terms of calories and so on, and fat and so on. But sometimes during that process, you may also not realize there might be a reduction in the micronutrients, the vitamins, the minerals. These are really important. Those micronutrients, the amounts of them, that's really something that you should not reduce, okay? That is something that you have to preserve in your diet. But during that process, invariably, I think some of them may be reduced as well, together with the macronutrients, like the fat, the carbohydrates, and so on. So by taking LifePak or by including LifePak in the overall system, we can guarantee and ensure that you do not suffer from a mineral and vitamin deficiency. That's really a good scientific reason and beneficial reason to have LifePak included in the whole system. After all, LifePak, is a foundational product in Nu Skin, and managing your weight is about overall health, right? So although it has not a direct impact on your weight loss, it has a direct impact on your overall health. I already explained to you, when you reduce your micronutrients, that's not a good thing. And having LifePak included in your overall weight management program is a good thing and a relevant and logical thing. Hopefully, this explanation will help you understand why we've included it, right? So after all, LifePak contains over 40 antioxidants and minerals, and that is really a foundation for your daily health. Losing weight should not mean that you are going to lose your overall health as well, or nutritional status. So and LifePak actually will prevent that. Well, that's for now. Hopefully with this brief introduction or addition and update on TRME, you now understand some of the other sort of things that go along with TRME and why certain things we have included in the system. And hopefully I'm going to see you soon, and we can spend more time talking about TRME and so on. Well, once again, congratulations on your TRME success, and I hope to see you very soon, and to really thank you in person for the success, because after all, any success that you have is really a reflection of how you're helping people to maintain good health and be a force for good. Okay? Thanks so much.